Remember, your spirit is the real you. If a spirit living in an earthly body comes from the seed of the fallen's lineage, that would make that person a member of the serpent seed. In addition, not human. Israelites, do not be deceived by the outward appearance. Just because the spirit has a human body, this does not conclude the spirit comes from the human species created by the Most High. The scripture said, test their spirit to see if they are of the Most High, because there are many hybrids among us identifying as humans and they are not.